Struggling to keep up with class notes? Finding it hard to remember everything before an exam? What if there was an easier way to learn? Try concept maps. Traditional note-taking can be time-consuming and overwhelming. Important ideas get lost and reviewing information feels repetitive and ineffective. Concept maps simplify complex topics by visually connecting ideas, making studying and note-taking more effective. With concept maps, you can revise faster, brainstorm better, and organize information more efficiently. Let's take a closer look. Preparing for an exam. Concept maps give you a clear, big-picture view by displaying key concepts and their connections, all in one place. Start with your main topic in the center, then branch out into subtopics, adding key details as you go. This method helps you break down information logically while reinforcing important connections. Working on a group project? Concept maps help you structure research, brainstorm ideas, and organize content in a clear, visual format. With Creately, collaborate in real time to build a shared visual framework that keeps everyone on the same page. Struggling with messy notes and scattered ideas? Concept maps turn chaos into clarity. With Creately's Notes panel, you can add detailed notes alongside your concept map, keeping all key information in one place, so you never lose track of important details while studying. With concept maps, you'll spend less time cramming and more time truly understanding.